Hello, welcome to Triple Empire Agency, where we spill the tea on digital marketing. I'm Natasha. I'm your coach for today. Today we'll be branding our digital marketing flyer template. If you would like to download your template to follow along, click the link below. Once you download your template, it will download as a PDF. It will look just like this. I like to open mine in Google Chrome, so I click, drag, and drop. It will open up the PDF form. At the top, you will see a markup of the template you purchased. Then you have the link, and then also give you a thank you for your order. Here, I'll give you the link to the tutorial to how to edit your template. And here is a link to our Facebook support group. So to edit the template, we're going to click here. So once you click there, it will bring you up here to Canvas. Then you will click on Use Template. And once it loads up, it will bring you to Canvas where you're able to edit the template. Every area that you are able to edit, it will highlight a purple box around it. This means you can edit or add, subtract. So first we're gonna remove add your photos. And I would like to change my background to my branding color. I would like to change my heading color. So what you do is you will click, you will highlight the words that you would like to change color. Then you'll go to the A, it will say text color. You will click here, pick the color you like. Now, if the color that you want is not here, you can also go here and add. If you have the hex number, you can put there. Or you can always use this to go and move to the color you like. But because we want this white, we're going to click here and go to white. So the subheading, we would like to add while supply lasts. And since we would like for this to be all capitalized, we're going to go up to uppercase, which is the lowercase a, and the uppercase A. We're going to click. And as you see, it made all that uppercase. And one thing I do like is for my box to fit my wording, make it easier to look better center. And as you see the highlighted purple, you see the purple lines. This means that it is centered. So we're gonna go here. So this, I would like to make it smaller. So normally if you have an image that you can resize from the left to right or up and down, they will have these little boxes here where you can move. So I am going to bring it down some. And I will bring this over a little bit. So I do like to take my images, especially anything like this, over to make sure everything get covered. And here you will add your website. Just highlight there and you add your website. And I would like to add my product markups, photos. And all you do is just grab drop, grab, drop, grab, drop. I'm gonna use a white one. So as you can see how it look if you just use the white one compared to if you use background. How about just add, I'm gonna replace all these with white background so you can actually get a full feel of how it look. So this how it look when you just add with white background. Look very plain, right? So there is a way where you can remove your white background. I'm gonna show you a little bit, but I will make a full video. So if you would like for me to make a full video of taking you step by step how to remove background and add a different background, drop in the comments, remove background, and we'll get that video uploaded for you guys. So, but just a quick view. So you're gonna click on the image, go to edit photo. Okay, computer moving a little slow. Yeah. Give me one moment, guys. And we're gonna go to remove background. And as you can see, it removed the background. But I like to have mine with something in the background. It just make it look so much better to me. It's like it make your product pop. Okay. So as you can see how much better they look when your photos have background. So now we're gonna add some motion. So we're just adding a little something to it. You can play with these. All you do is just go to however you would like for it to pop up in. So we're gonna go to fun. And this one, you can add another motion to it. Well, it is automation. So say, okay, then just click that word. Let me see, because I want this. Okay, maybe. Okay. So as you can see, you have designed your template within less than 3 minutes. So now we want to go to download. Now, because we added automation to it, animate. Okay, because we add animated to it, you do want to download as an MP4 video. Now, if you didn't have any animated to it, you want to download as a PNG. And then you will hit download. Now, one thing I do like about this, you can connect your social media site to it. That's the way once you get done design, you can automatically go on and upload, or you can schedule. If you would like for us to schedule, to show you how to schedule from using Canvas or either just scheduling your content or marketing at any from other platforms, just put in schedule in the comments and we'll get that video upload for you. And as you can see, now you are done. You have created your flyer, upload your content with less than 5 minutes. If you guys would like more videos, drop in a comment, more videos, like, share, and subscribe.